In this video, I will show you how to sew a knitted noodle dress in an hour. Hello everyone, this is Nelly Mazgarova. Please leave your questions under this video and I will try to answer to all of them. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. To draw a pattern, you will need 3 measurements: chest girth, hip girth, and back waist length. If you would like to draw this pattern yourself, I really recommend to pause this video for each step. But if you do not want to make patterns, you can easily buy ready-made patterns for just 100 rubles. Just follow the link down below. And I would like to remind you that patterns in all sizes will be available to members of Sew Family Club. Everyone who will join Sew Family Club next month will get these patterns and patterns for the whole April capsule as a gift. Let's start by drawing back pattern. To do this, use the formulas from the right column where you need to put your measurements so you can have pattern that fits you. Next, we move on to drawing the front piece. Most of the measurements we will take from the back pattern. The ones we need to take from the back pattern are shown in the right column. To draw front pattern, I recommend to pause this video. We will also need the facing for armhole and back neckline. It will be the same shape as the back itself and length should be 3 centimeters just above the waist. We will also need a front facing. And here you can see a lay plan. Seam allowances are already in there. For this dress you will need knitted noodle material or any other knitted material. Cut the dress by laying out patterns on the fold. Well, let's start. And don't forget that members of Sew Family Club get these patterns for free. To join Sew Family Club, follow the link down below. Assemble the base and the lining. Put the base part of the front on the back part, good side to good side. Pin the sides and shoulders following the markings. Pin sides and shoulders good side to good side. Assemble the base from the shoulders using overlock. Assemble the side seams of the base. Assemble shoulder lining seams. Assemble the side lining seams. Iron seam allowances towards the back. Iron shoulder seams allowances towards the back. Iron seam allowances of the lining towards the back. Turn the lining inside out, turn the base on the good side and put it into the lining good side to good side. Align the edges of the neckline and pin along the markings and the seams. Put the neckline together using overlock. Put together the lining and the base on the shoulder side, fold seam allowances inwards and turn the product inside out. Align the side seams and markings along the armhole and pin it. Put it together using overlock, starting the seam as close as possible to the shoulder seam. Gradually turning the material out, continue to sew until you reach the beginning of the stitch. iron the armholes. Finish edges of the bottoms on the good side using overlock. Place the base and the lining along the side seams. Turn it out and pin the allowances. Put together on a sewing machine following seam allowances. Finish the edges of the bottoms using overlock from the good side. Mark 3 cm allowance on the good side of the bottom. Fold it following the markings and iron seam allowance. Pin it. Put double needle stitch along the bottom from its good side on 2.5 cm from the fold. Iron the bottom. Also on our Russian channel there are more videos like this. I will leave links down below. And if this video was helpful, please give your thumbs up. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Nelly Mazgarova and I will see you next time.